Next level food industry machines. Get ready to have your mind blown by some next level life hacks, savage gadgets, ingenious machinery, and incredibly rewarding advice on how to accomplish tasks in a smart manner. Not to mention the incredible equipment and creative innovations that are performing tasks that are so aesthetically pleasing that they will be put you into a trance. You will never have to call yourself a handy again if you learn some inventive do-it-yourself ideas. Construction workers and woodworkers operate on an additional level with various projects. It's all right here, so make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel and get ready to be tremendously entertained. The transformation of uncooked components into food in a form that is suitable for consumption by either humans or animals is referred to as the food processing process. Components that have been cleaned, slaughtered, and butchered, as well as harvested, are often taken and used to generate food products that are appealing to consumers and marketable. In the field of food processing, a wide array of machines, gadgets, and instruments are utilized in the production process. Over the past couple of decades, there has been a significant rise in the important place and the function of engineer within the food business. Because of the increasingly sophisticated and demanding nature of the consumer market, there is an ongoing requirement for new process innovations. The consumer anticipates that the product will be innovative, offer good value for money, provide excitement, and be packaged in a manner that prevents tampering. Soft robotic grippers. The food and beverage industry is already beginning to implement automated processes, which may include the utilization of robotics. In a time when firms are struggling to keep up with the demand, despite having fewer people, these technologies have the potential to bring enormous benefits. However, processing goods such as pastries, fruit, or bread with robots might be tricky. Because of their rigid grippers can easily shatter soft items like bread, fruit, or pastries while they are trying to pick them up. The solution to this issue is soft grippers. Octopi and squids serve as inspiration for the design of a soft gripper that can be used for handling delicate food items. The rubber fingers open and close to specific dimensions as a result of pressurized air being used to inflate and deflate the fingers. The gripper is dexterous enough to lift even objects as fragile as marshmallows without breaking a sweat. Autonomous AI robots. Not only may automation aid businesses that are having trouble finding enough workers, but it can also help enhance the efficiency with which food is processed. Autonomous robots, which are frequently powered by artificial intelligence, are extraordinarily effective when it comes to doing activities that are repetitive. In comparison to the typical worker, they are able to accomplish more in a shorter amount of time and with fewer errors. Robots like this can be put to use in food processing industries to carry out the monotonous, repetitive work that workers find uninteresting. The workers can then be retrained, upskilled, or moved to tasks that are more important and interesting for the company. The IoT Machinery Monitoring. The Internet of Things, IoT, confers more intelligence and connectivity on the gear used in the food processing industry. The Internet of Things may be put to a variety of uses in the food and beverage business, but one of its most beneficial applications is the monitoring and improvement of production processes on the factory floor. Real-time data collection and transmission to a centralized hub is performed by sensors that the data can be put to use to improve automated processes or create more accurate production schedules. Sensors connected to the Internet of Things have the potential to uncover manufacturing inefficiencies and bottlenecks, providing businesses with clear targets for improvement. It is possible to use them to monitor the health of the gear used in food processing, which makes it possible to undertake predictive maintenance, which consists of performing tune-ups on the equipment as soon as indicators of a potential problem surface. The agricultural sector is also investigating the Internet of Things. For instance, farmers and companies that manage water are employing it in conjunction with AI algorithms to enhance irrigation systems, so lowering their overall energy costs and maximizing their water use. Next generation energy efficient motors. It's not only about cutting down on carbon footprints anymore. Energy efficiency is becoming an increasingly important topic for businesses in every sector. Optimizing the use of electricity by food and beverage firms can not only help these businesses reduce the emissions caused by their power consumptions, which is unquestionably an essential goal, but it can also result in financial savings. The next generation of motors used in the food and beverage processing industry today are becoming significantly more energy efficient right out of the box. These advancements are made possible in large part by the proliferation of engines with soft starts and variable frequency drives. By shielding electronics from unexpected spikes in power supply, soft start motors put less strain on the machinery they power. Instead of beginning with an immediate full charge, they begin with a charge that is initially significantly lower and limited. One way to think about this in terms of the difference between waking up with an alarm clock and waking up without one, the former requires waking up all of the sudden, while the latter is less stressful. Instead of putting strain on electrical components with a sudden rush of energy, soft start motors allow machineries to warm up more gradually and ease into action. As a result of this, soft start motors are more efficient. In comparison to other types of motors, variable frequency drive motors have significantly lower energy consumption. The technique behind variable frequency drive motors can only be used to alternating current AC motors. In contrast to variable speed drive motors, the frequency of the electricity that is supplied to an AC motor can be altered via a variable frequency drive, which then enables the motor speed to be altered accordingly. A variable frequency drive is essential to control system for machinery engine. It enables the machine motors to start up with a lower voltage drop, in a manner that is analogous to that of soft start motors. Additionally, the drive speed can be adjusted to accommodate the specific requirements of individual devices and activities. In addition to being lighter and taking up less space, motors that are more efficient in their use of energy are typically smaller in volume. Food and facility safety that is fully automated. In the food and beverage industry, health and safety are among the highest objectives for every single organization. The advancement of technology is making it simpler for businesses to adhere to all of the necessary health and safety regulations. For instance, businesses that deal with the processing and storage of food can use AI to automatically monitor and control the temperature of their facilities, which can help stop the development and spread of infections like E. coli. These made possible with the use of Internet of Things, thermostats, which provide data about the facility's temperatures in real time to an AI algorithm. This algorithm monitors the temperatures in the various areas of building and make adjustments as required. The machinery used in food processing is currently undergoing some genuinely exciting improvements, which are assisting firms within the industry in providing improved service, goods, and work conditions for its employees. In the food and beverage industry, cutting-edge monitors for equipment can save businesses money on their energy expenditures, while the next generation robotics can open the door to a wide variety of automation opportunities. companies in the food and beverage industry may ensure their operations are running as smoothly as possible with the assistance of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. In the years to come, there will undoubtedly be an even greater amount of fantastic breakthroughs in regard to food processing technologies. Incredible advancements are being made in technology used in food processing machineries, such as the development of intelligent robots and more energy-efficient motors for use in food and beverage processing. Adapting these developing technologies in your food and beverage processing plant can give substantial benefits, such as improved food safety, increased efficiency, and increased productivities. These are just a few of the potential advantages. There we have it, the 5 innovations in food processing machinery that are causing a big change in the industry. Which of these innovations would you like to see and try in the future? Share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. And be sure to like this channel and share it with your friends. Also, if you're new in this channel, consider subscribing so we can show you nothing short of amazing and future tech that will absolutely take your breath away. Until the next one.